In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate in Adobe Express. Now there's a few things you can actually animate in here, so I'm going to show you all the ways to animate using Adobe Express. Now the first thing you can animate are individual elements within your designs. So I'm just going to go and create a new design over here. I'm going to select landscape over here, so it's going to be a blank canvas. Now from here you can go and of course add any elements you want. This is going to work for a bunch of different things. I'm just going to go with like a simple circle over here, and I'm going to place it over here. Now once you have your element, if you want to animate individual elements, you simply want to click on the specific element. You want to click on the edit button up top to open this left side panel. You want to go to animation, and then from here, as you can see, you have a few animations. You have in, loop, and then you have out as well. So if I do loop over here, I'm going to select, for example, this wobble animation over here, and as you can see, it's going to loop this wobble animation. Of course, you could also add a different one. So if I go and do none over here, I go to in, I can make it like fade in as well or whatever, and that's going to add a timeline here at the bottom, and of course animate your individual elements. So that's the first way to do this. The second way is going to be to animate your entire design. Okay, so to do this, of course, you must have some things on here. So I'm just going to type on some text, for example. I'm also going to go and add some more elements over here. I'll just go and find a few in here. So I'll add this welcome sign, for example, like this over here, and let's actually add a different one as well. So I'm gonna go to charts and grids, and I'm just going to pick let's just do like a random chart like this over here. Okay, now if you want to animate your entire design all together, what you can do is whenever you're done, click anywhere on your background or outside of it and go to edit page up top, and then from here you can see animate all. So you can click on animate all, and you have some animations over here, so you can animate all text and objects or text only. I'm gonna go with, for example, let's just do this popping over here. I'm gonna click on it, it's gonna animate like this, and there we go. As you can see, we've animated our entire design. That's the second way to actually animate inside Adobe Express. And then your third way is gonna be to animate characters with audio together, okay? So to do this, you wanna go back to your home page on Adobe Express, and you wanna create a new design, but we're gonna look for characters. So click on the plus button top left, and then in here go to the top right and type in animate. Here click on animate characters, and as you can see, you'll be able to see, there we go, you can go and of course create your animations over here. I do have a character I generated here already, but you can then go and of course categorize these. You can find whichever character you want to use. I'm just going to use this one now. Then you can select, of course, things like backgrounds over here, etc. And then the size as well. And then you can simply go and click on record over here. You can allow your microphone, and you can just start speaking when it comes to 0. And there we go. As you can see, it's now basically taking my audio, and I'm going to click on the done button here. It's going to start uploading. It's going to start rendering and then kind of lip syncing this. And then whenever that's done, which usually takes like less than a minute, it's going to animate your character to where it's actually speaking whatever you said at the moment of recording. Okay, so those are all the ways to animate in Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.